Your body whispers before it screams. Listen to it. What the mind suppresses, the body expresses. An anxious mind creates a tense body. Healing the mind heals the body, and vice versa. The body keeps score of everything your mind tries to forget. Every emotion unexpressed becomes a symptom somewhere. Stress isn't just in your head, it's in your cells. Trauma lives in the body, not just in memory. When the mind finds peace, the body begins to repair. The immune system listens to your thoughts. You can't hate your body and expect it to heal. Your posture reflects your mindset, upright or defeated. Sleep, nutrition, and thoughts all fuel your emotional health. Breathing is the bridge between mind and body. You don't just think stress, you carry it. Healing isn't just emotional, it's biological. The body is a canvas for the mind's story. Self-love is more medicinal than any pill. When you silence the mind, the body finally speaks. Your body is not your enemy, it's your history written in muscle and breath.